What is up, guys? This is gonna be my first gorilla tag video, and believe it or not, I used to play for a team, but like not an actual team. It was like just a random kid going in a lobby saying who wants to be in a team, and I guess I just wanted to, so I said yeah. I said me, and then I joined the team. So I'm not the best walls player, but I definitely am a good bronzer.
Okay, so game with yeah.
Oh, lip slap after like a few weeks of gorilla tag of not playing.
Tell me your favorite song.
Holy frick.
Where did go? Nah, bro's not good, bro. Chef hat, I'll give you. Wait, chef hat, English or Spanish? Huh?
Japanese. Oh, frick, I messed up.
Oh. Hi,
What the thing? Alright. That was definitely tagged away.
Thank you. Right, yellow.
What?
No. If you give me $5,000, I'll pay the homeless.
Huh?
If you give me $5,000, I'll feed the homeless.
Man. What?
If you give me $5,000, I'll feed the homeless.
What the dollars? I've never heard of that thing.
What is that tag? I'll give you $5,000. Hey, what's up? You give me $5,000.
I'll give you all the children in my basement if you leave me alone. It's gonna be a total of 500,000 children. Vertical. None. Man, this is probably my favorite route. Oh my god. What the freak? No.
Yo, can y'all hear me? Yep. Yes. Okay. I can hear you loud and clear. Yo, watch out, behind you. Get off me! You got paid $5,000 now. What are you sticking my finger? I hit my wall.
Oh, frick.
Fuck you. I literally hit my wall. Look at that. I literally sticking my finger right now.
No.
I can't find any good music, so just shut up. What did you say to me? Stop!
I stepped on my boundary.
No! I don't want to. Hit me $5,000. I leave you alone.
Okay, brother.
Hello?
No.
Play pop
No. Help. Ah!
Yeah. I told my wife I'm going.
Frick. No. Guys, I'm Dora the Explorer.
Okay. Oh, you want to fight? I bet that. Oh, snap. My bad.
Guys, if this video gets 3 likes, I'll do a scrim.
With me? Indian?
No, brother.
Indian pepperoni?
You're annoying as hell. Brother.
But I'm literally a pepperoni.
No.
Pepperoni star.
I don't like pepperoni.
That's right. BMT? No, that's BMT. I got XBMT. I'm not looking for XD.
I just hit the easiest long jump to ever exist.
Go ghost hunting. Oh, you can go what?
Long jump time. Whee! No! No way, this kid, bro. Oh my God, what have you done? No, I'm so bad. What the frick? No, I'm so bad right now. I gotta lock in.
Oh my God, bro. I think I just, bro, why does everyone have my phone? Oh, wait, you don't have it. Why am I it out of dime?
Book
Who's
it!
a ghost hunter? If you wanna go ghost hunting, go to
Because you're gay.
What? If you wanna go ghost hunting,
God damn, bro.
Stump? I'm not going to stump. Oh no. No. No, you're rich. I can't do anything.
Oh my.
Yum yum.
What's the,
Yeah, we came here. Alright, well, the code is
Brother.
Ashy.
Can I please stop being so bad at walls for once?
Ashy 652.
Oh my freaking lord, I'm gonna.
You can't find a ghost in that house.
No way! You're gay. You're weird, buddy.
POV. Try let me suck your ball.
Man, you know what, man? I'm going into a private code to freaking practice walls and stuff. Bro, for crying out loud!
You absolute swamp pigeon.
Bro, did they really have to add more stuff to the freaking computer? Alright guys, let's speed this part up. Oh my god. Bro, why do I not move? Like... Oh my fucking... I can't do jack crap. Oh my fuck. Alright, that's gonna be the end of me practicing now. Let's hop back in.
Dude, get up. Get up.
Yeah, I'm good now. No, I'm cutting that out. It's the same freaking lobby. If it puts me in the same lobby again, I'm ending the video. Okay, good. Alright, so after I get tagged, I will end the video so this video doesn't drag on too freaking long. And also, if you guys get to 3 likes, I'll record doing a scrim. I'll get people for a scrim and I'll do them.
Targeter. Wait, are you a targeter? Yes, I am a targeter. You're talking. He's not trying to cut you down. Can't be. Wait, but he's a targeter. Wait. Just come here. Come here.
Guys, tell me in the comments if whenever you try and go on walls, it like starts glitching out a lot.
Where'd you get them? I did ankles. Don't you get anchor flashback, buddy? I don't think you're having ankles. And you changed it. Huh? I'm not going to say anything. Somebody say it. You literally. Where did you get the earmuffs? And they're trying to get you. I didn't say anything about the earmuffs. Excuse me.
Bro, what?
Purple, we have a challenge. Tier 3 finger painter. Wait, I have a finger painter. No, you don't. A free finger painter badge. Are you sure? No, I'm not. Yeah. Purple, we have a challenger. He's way more better than us. I'm a Guys, I'm a Twitch streamer.
Alright, hold on.
For the last move I do, I'm seeing a whole gang of I'm seeing a whole gang of video. No, don't leave. Don't leave. I'm not going
Please.
I wasn't asking you. You guys want to help me with the video? Sure. Yeah, what the hell is that? Yeah, get out of here. No. You are making a
No. Frick. Please.
The code is my name. Sorry, it's root beer 1-2. No one cares. No, that's not. Yeah, you're gay.
He just gave up.
He might not. Everybody's very slow.
So,
root beer 1-2. Yeah. Root beer with 2. Oh. Okay, root beer.
Cutie patootie.
Root beer and what? Wait.
God, I almost just got tagged.
Everybody, I'm punching 1%, but I can't catch me on the user brand.
Oh, frick. Messed up the slips.
No, I just like, man, I'm not gay. You're gay? No, I'm not gay. I just like, man, I'm not gay.
Alright, you know what? I'm doing ground. That's gonna be the challenge now.
Hey, you're not a Sigma. Hey, you're not a Sigma. Hey, no. Stop being Sigma. I said stop being Sigma. That's why I thought.
Alright, hope you guys enjoyed.
Don't be Sigma.
Please get this to 3 likes. Because,
Are you in a YouTube video? Hey guys, subscribe right now. If you don't subscribe, you like men. If you don't subscribe,
yeah, guys, listen to him. Listen to him. If you don't subscribe, then you like men.
yeah. Now you guys better subscribe. Otherwise, you guys are weird.
Yeah. Guys. So I'm gonna end the video right here. Hope you enjoyed. Get this video to 3 likes so you can watch me get tortured of doing a scrim and getting all sweaty because I have to plan a garage. So.
Bro, what this man got up there?